Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a new YouTuber, so if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you're a new subscriber, my name is Sheila Morogo and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be making some chicken and I'm going to use my air fryer to make this chicken. So let's go. All right, to start us off, I have my chicken. It's washed, so I'm just going to cut it up and dry it so I can head on to put on the spices. So let's do this. Okay, so if you want to cook large pieces, you can leave it like that. You have it in quarters, and that is good. But because we are little many, I'm going to try and separate the pieces a little bit more so we can have a bit more pieces and smaller pieces because of the children. But even up to there, that's just perfectly fine. There we go. Removing the wings. There are some wing lovers in this house. So I mainly use paprika, so all this is paprika, a tiny dash of cayenne because the kids are having this meal, and I'm still going to use a little bit of black pepper and a bit of turmeric. So I'm just going to mix this up and dust the chicken. All right, so I'm going to start with my salt and black pepper. here I'm just eyeballing with the black pepper, but that's enough. If I put any more than that, it won't be good for the children. So, and then it looks like the spice is enough. Sorry, I forgot to mention the amount of spices. I had used a full tablespoon of paprika because my intention was to marinate the whole chicken. Half a tablespoon of turmeric. I'm avoiding to go in with my hands because of the turmeric. It stains nails. So yeah, I'm just avoiding. Then I'm going to put some corn flour. This just makes it really nice and crispy. Up with some olive oil. This olive oil, I got a really good deal, a good bargain from Carrefour, and I'm going to link the video that I talked about my shopping haul down below. So make sure you check it out, guys. That's enough. You don't need so much oil when using the air fryer. So guys, I don't even know why I put olive oil. With the air fryer, you need zero oil. You don't need to put any oil at all. It will cook. Itapika kabisa. So I'm just going to arrange these here. Try and make sure they are not overlapping. But I'll try and fit everything in, because I'm not about to cook 2 batches, you guys. This one is just enough. So that's good. This is going in. It already looks so nice. I don't know if I should add some rosemary to it. I definitely think I should add some rosemary to it. Let me just add some rosemary. Okay, so in we go. Right, so for chicken, it says 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And always remember, you have to flip halfway through the timing. So I'm going to put this at 180 right there. I wish it had a digital screen. And I'm gonna do how many minutes? 25. I'm going to do about 15 minutes, and then once this is done, I'll do another 15 or 10 more minutes. So let's go. It's been roughly 13 minutes maybe, and the timer has gone off. So let's see how it looks. Come closer. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my god, oh my god. It looks so good, so good. So I'm just going to flip them to cook on this other side. Okay, and then whatever that was below, I'll put it on top. It'll do 10 minutes. Then check again. Hello, so let's see. By the way, you guys, I'm not a chef. I just love food and I love cooking. So that's why I really share my recipes with you. It's not like I'm very good at it or anything, but hey, you guys, just look at that chicken. Akia Mungu. Oh my god, it's so crispy. It's so crispy on the outside and juicy in the inside, and I promise you, I don't know, air fryer chicken, I think, is just something else. So let's serve it up and see. So I made my rice with raisins, and the other ones are called what? Oh, it's crumbling. But that looks good still. I like the way it crumbled on one side. Okay, there we go. Ta-da! It's all crumbled. Yay! Okay. All right. Maybe the moya rice works better with this. I'm not going to try. Alright, so dinner is served. I'm going to serve it with a little bit of juice. I'm so glad, I'm so happy how it turned out. Hii nyama ni tamu sana. Come closer, I show you. Look at this. Tunaweza rarua sasa, tumeshapiga picha. Look at that. Well done, crispy on the outside and very ni tamu. Okay, so bye guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please come back again for another video. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and share. Thank you, and let's talk in the comment section.